Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is December 28, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 10 3/4 points to 25.05 3/4 per contract. All in all, the futures caught a really good bid yesterday. You could see it here right around 2 o'clock. Market reversed with a big buy program, really right into the closing bell, and ever since then we've been really drifting sideways. We'll see what we get today. Today is the final trading day before we go into New Year's Eve on Monday, and then ultimately New Year's Day on Tuesday. So we are expecting a little bit of holiday type volume, but the volume this week has been pretty good for a holiday, the highest I've ever seen it. So again, we'll see what we get today. Right now we're going to look at some stocks in the news, and we don't have a whole lot out here today, but what we do have is Adobe, and Adobe got an upgrade today. Stock is trading at $227.50, closed at $225.14 yesterday. So a good little pop for Adobe. Nothing special, nothing spectacular, but nonetheless, stock has gone up pretty nicely the last three sessions, so we'll see what it does today. But again, little upgrade there for Adobe. That is up in the pre-market. Tesla is also in the news today. It looks like you have Larry Ellison and I believe Kathleen Wilson-Thompson joining the board. So Tesla popped up to 335. Now you can see it settling in at around 324 here. We'll see where it goes. Stock did close at 316 yesterday, so good little uptick. I don't know if we want to make more out of it than that. Again, after I guess Elon Musk has to have some new people on the board of directors, and Larry Ellison, I would think, would be a pretty good person to have up there. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at ticker symbol FRC. This is First Republic. It looks like they have been added to the S&P 500. That will be effective, I think, on the 2nd of January. So again, stock getting a nice pop there, trading at $87.75. It closed at $83.69. So good little pop. I see some resistance in this one right around $89.10, $89.15, somewhere there. So we'll see how that plays out. But nonetheless, FRC joining the S&P 500. Nice little move there. Let's take a look at Wingstop, W-I-N-G. Wingstop getting an upgrade as well today. Stock's trading at $62. Closed at $60.62. So this is a nice little pop here. Ultimately, I do think this stock has higher price in the cards. The big daily chart resistance level I'm seeing is around $66 to $67. Again, we'll see if it can get up there. I'm not sure it does that today. Let's take a look at Lockheed Martin. Looks like they received another $712 million contract. Stock's trading at $262, closed at $259.79. This stock has been hit very hard right after the General Mattis resignation or firing. And again, it's starting to rebound a little bit now, but we'll be keeping an eye on this one. Don't forget, a few days ago, the stock did trade down to almost $240. I believe it got to $245 or $241. So this has had a nice little pop, and again, upticking a little bit here today. Let's take a look at the marijuana stocks. First off the bat, some news coming out that APHA, which is Afria, they have received a $2.1 billion unsolicited offer from Green Growth Brands. I don't know much about the marijuana names, but I did see this yesterday. Got a big surge. Right now the stock's trading at around 6 1/4. Closed at I believe yesterday was trading at around 556. Then that news came out and you got this big move. So right now it's settling in at around 625, 622. So we'll see how that plays out. This is giving a little bit of a lift to the marijuana brands. You can see CGC, which is Canopy Growth, Tilray. All of these stocks are a little bit higher this morning. Kronos, another one. And then you have just the ETF, which is MJ. That's getting a little bit of a bid as well. So again, we'll keep them on the radar today. We'll see if they give us any tradable moves. But marijuana stocks in play this morning. Next up, want to take a look here at the gold market, gold futures, trading down 70 cents to $1,280 an ounce. I don't think we're going to make too much out of gold. It's been holding up very well as of late. That's mostly due to fear in the market, so we'll see how that plays out. Next up, we have crude oil up 73 cents to $45.35 a barrel. So crude oil getting a little bit of an uptick there. Take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude. You'll see that's trading at $9.56. So that's upticked a little bit. from yesterday. So we'll see where we go. We'll see how this all plays out today. Again, we're looking at a little bit of a lighter volume session out here, so we'll see what we get. Again, there's been a lot of volatility this week, so we're not going to take anything for granted. We'll see if we get more of it today, and if we do, we get a lot of trade action. So with that being said, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we will see you all on the charts.